Hi, Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group, and one piece of buying a home is the home inspection. How much does it cost? It's going to run you anywhere between, say, $375 to $550, unless it's a really big house, it might be a little bit more. And what does it cover? They're going to check every knob, switch, outlet, and pipe that they can see, as well as the roof, furnace, cooling systems, anything to do with the pool, all around the property, your sprinklers, but again, only what they can see. You never know what's going on inside the walls, but usually from your home inspection, this will tell you if you need to get more inspections done, i.e. a roofer to come out or a plumber to come stick a snake down or a camera down the line to take a look at what's going on in the pipes. But usually your home inspection is the first stop. Again, Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group, and call me, I'd love to hear from you.